Some problems on a parallelogram law of vectors, and as well as here the what is the how to find out the angle whenever the magnitude is asked for. So the first problem is if magnitude of the resultant of two vectors equal in magnitude is equal to the magnitude of either of the vectors, what is the angle between them? Means here is given that the resultant, the magnitude of the resultant which is equal to the either of the two vectors. The magnitude of the resultant of two vectors is equal for either of two vectors. Then we can say that if we consider that if P comma Q are two vectors, if P comma Q are two vectors and R be the resultant, R be the resultant. So here that he gave that mod P is equal to mod Q is equal to mod R. That means to say here the magnitude of the resultant of two vectors is equal in magnitude, the equal to the magnitudes of either two vectors. Means the three vectors are say two vectors which is equal to P is equal to Q, and as well as the resultant is also R. So here it is that we have the formula for parallelogram. According to the parallelogram law, that is R is equal to the square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Here we can write that mod R is equal to mod Q is equal to P, means R is equal to Q is equal to P we can write. So that's why here we can get that if in case of instead of R and theta be the angle between them, here we have tried that theta be the angle between them. Then here R is equal to R means here R is equal to Q is equal to P. So P is equal to root of P means P square and Q means Q is equal to P. So that's why we are also writing that P square plus 2P into Q, we are writing the P instead of Q, P cos theta. Here the P square plus P square we can get that 2P square, that is P is equal to root of 2P square plus 2P square cos theta because of P into P square. Then if we take in common the 2P square is the same term in the two words, so that's why 2P square is get common, then square root of 2P square is equal to 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, that is P is equal to, whenever the square root taken to this side it will become P square is equal to 2P square. Here 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 be the mathematical in formula. So here the 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 is the mathematical formula. So we are substituting that formula, then we can get that into 2 cos square theta by 2. So here 2 into 2 4P square. Then if we get that here means P square get cancelled. Here P square get cancelled. If we write like that, then 2 to the 4. Like we are writing that cos square theta by 2 means if we square root this one, also we can get that whenever by without cancelling this one, then if we can write that P square is equal to 2P cos theta by 2 whole square. 2P cos theta by 2 whole square. Instead of we cancelling the P square, then we are writing like this, then square get cancelled, then P is equal to 2P cos theta by 2, then P get cancelled, then cos theta by 2 is equal to, whenever 2 taken this side it will become denominator, that is 1 by 2. Cos theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then here the angle between both of them will cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. We know that cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So we are writing that theta by 2 is equal to 60 degrees. Theta by 2 is equal to 60 degrees. So from that equation we can write that theta is equal to 120 degrees. When the theta is equal to 120 degrees, He asked for in the problem the magnitude of resultant of two vectors equal in magnitude is equal to the magnitude of either of the two vectors, then what is the angle between them? Means the p is equal, the two vectors are which is equal in magnitude and the resultant also equal. When the angle theta will be there, when what is the angle between them? Whenever the p, q or total magnitudes are equal, then if the theta is equal to 120 degrees, then the magnitude of resultant which is equal to the magnitudes of either two vectors. So here it is once again, if in case of p, q are considered as two vectors, their magnitudes are equal, he is given that, then the r with the resultant. So here it is we are writing according to the parallelogram law. So r is equal to root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta with the parallelogram. So from that we are writing that r is equal to, instead of r and q we are writing the p, because of three vectors are same. So means the resultant is also same, two vectors are same and also resultant is also same. So that's why he equal, both are the same. So that's why we are writing that instead of r and q we are writing p. So by substituting p, that p square plus 2p into p cos theta we can get. From that p is equal to root of, it will p square plus p square 2p square plus 2p square cos theta. So from that equation also, by taking common 2p square, then we can get 2p square of 1 plus cos theta. From the mathematical formula, 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. We are substituting that equation, then we can get p square. Whenever the square root taken to this side, then it will become p square, then is equal to 2p square 2 cos square theta by 2. We are substituting. This will become here we can write that p square is equal to 4p square cos t square theta by 2. We can write 4p square cos theta by 2 as a 2p cos theta by 2 whole square. So that we can get cancelled, the squares get cancelled, then p is equal to 2p cos theta by 2 we can get. So from that p get cancelled in, which is in opposite sides, is means here is the p and here is the p, where get cancelled. Then cos theta by 2 is equal to, whenever the 2 taken to this side, then that will become 1 by 2. From that, but we know that cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. From this we can write that cos theta by 2 is equal to cos 60 degrees. So here it is, the theta by 2 is equal to cos inverse of cos 60, then we can get 60. Means cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. So from that formula we can write that theta by 2 is equal to 60 degrees, that is theta is equal to 120. Whenever 2 get taken this side, multiplied with this one, then theta is equal to 120 degrees. Means when the theta angle between the two vectors are 120, then the magnitude resultant to magnitude which is equal to either two equals of its either vectors magnitude is also equal, then only we can get the three equal vectors. This is about the problem. Whenever the theta is equal to 120 degrees angle between the two vectors, then only resultant also we can get the same. So this is the one of the problem. The next one is two vectors a and b have precisely equal in magnitudes, means a, b are precisely equal in magnitudes. Now if for the magnitude of a plus b, is larger than the magnitude of a minus b, means a plus b is more larger than the a minus b by the factor of n. So by the factor of n, means n times are larger than a minus b. A plus b is larger than a minus b by the factor n. Then what is the angle between them? He asked for what is the angle between them. According to the parallelogram law, we can write that is a plus b. According to a plus b, which is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, 2ab cos theta, and as well as a minus b, that is equal to root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta, we can write that. But he given that a and b have precisely equal in magnitudes. By substituting this one in the equation, then we can get that is both sides are multiple, means whenever the square root is taken to this side, then a plus b whole square becomes, this is a minus b whole square becomes. So that's why both sides are squaring on both sides. Whenever the squaring on both sides, then we can get that a plus b whole square is equal to n square into a minus b whole square. So by taking this one, then we can get that whenever the square root is taken this side, then it will becomes also a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So from this equation we can write that a plus a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is equal to n square into a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta minus 2ab cos theta. Then he given that a and b as precisely equal in magnitude, so that's why we are writing that the a mod a is equal to mod b. Then we can write that is instead of b we can write a. So that's why here a square plus 2a square cos theta, that is n square into, here is also a square plus a square minus 2a square cos theta. So same terms we can write that 2a square plus 2a square cos theta, that is equal to n square of 2a square minus 2a square cos theta. From this formula we can write that here, that is 2a square is same in these two terms, so that's why we are getting common 2a square of 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to, here is also same thing is there, so n square into 2a square of that is equal to n square into 2a square of 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. But according to the mathematical formulas we know that that is 1 plus cos theta which is equal to by the cancelling each other on both sides, we can cancel the both sides also, but we are not doing like that. So 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. We are substituting the values in the equation, then we can get 2a square into 2 cos square theta by 2, that is equal to here n square into 2a square 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2. From this we can write that here we can write that 2a cos square theta by 2 whole square, that is equal to here n into 2a sin theta by 2 whole square. So square get cancelled, and also here is the 2a is also there, so 2a we can also get cancelled, both will be cancelled each other. Then we can get that here 2a cos theta by 2, that is equal to n into 2a sin theta by 2. From this equation we can write that 2a get cancelled, then here the cos theta taken to this side and n taken to this side, then will becomes 1 by n, which is equal to, because of it is in numerator multiplied, and whenever taken to this side it will be divided with this term. Here we can get the 1 without any term, we can get the 1, then sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So we are get tan theta by 2, tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, that means 1 by n, 1 by n. From this equation we can write that here, so tan theta by 2 means theta by 2 which is equal to theta by 2 which is equal to tan inverse of 1 by n, that is theta which is equal to 2 tan inverse of 1 by n, that is the angle between the two a and b, then only that the magnitude of a plus b is larger than the a minus b, which is by the factor of n. The angle b will be the theta is equal to 2 tan inverse of 1 by n. This will be the angle between the a plus b and a minus b. Once again, two vectors a and b have precisely equal magnitudes. So for the magnitude of a plus b to be larger than the magnitude of a minus b by a factor of n, then must be the angle. What is the angle? Means must be the angle between them will be theta is equal to 2 tan inverse of 1 by n. When the a plus b means magnitude of a plus b, we can calculate that root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and a minus b will be root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Whenever this equation multiplied on both sides, then whenever the square root taken this side, this will also become square, and whenever this taken this is also becomes a square. So from that we are substituting the equations, then we can get that a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, which is equal to n square of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. But in the question we have given, in the problem we have know that the a and b magnitudes are precisely equal. So that's why we are substituting instead of b a. So a square plus 2a square cos theta, and n square into here is also a square, instead of b we are writing a square minus 2a square cos theta. So in this case of a square plus a square, 2a square plus 2a square cos theta, here is also same thing, it can become, then 2a square are common, we are taking outside, then 2a square of 1 plus cos theta, here 2a square, here also n square into 2a square 1 minus cos theta. By the mathematical formula we know that 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, and 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. From that 2a square into 2 cos square theta by 2, that is n is equal to 2a square, instead of we are writing, instead of these terms we are writing the equations in the above. So these are the mathematical formulas we can get. From that we can get the 2a cos theta by 2 whole square, we can write like this formula, then also this is also we can write like this, because of all terms are having the square. So n into 2a sin theta by 2, square get cancelled, 2a to a is also get cancelled. So remaining we can get that cos theta by 2 is equal to n into sin theta by 2. When the cos taken to cos theta by 2 taken to this side, it will becomes denominator for sin theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2. Then also whenever the n taken to this side, then it will becomes 1 by n. So here tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 by n, then tan taken this side, theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by n, that theta is equal to 2 tan inverse of 1 by n. That will be the angle between, that is the angle between the a plus b and a minus b whenever the a plus b is larger than by the factor of n with of a minus b.